Making dinner delicious. English vocabulary for common ingredients and spices. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to dive into the delightful world of food and spices. Specifically, we'll focus on the common ingredients and spices that you might use while preparing and having dinner. This knowledge will not only enhance your English vocabulary but also make your conversations around cooking more enriching and authentic. Let's get started. When it comes to dinner, there are a few staple ingredients that often find their way into our meals. Some of the common ones include meat. This can be further broken down into beef, chicken, pork, lamb, and fish. Vegetables, such as potatoes, carrots, broccoli, tomatoes, and bell peppers. Grains, like rice, pasta, or bread. Dairy. This category includes milk, cheese, and butter. Remember, the above are just a few examples. The list of ingredients you might come across in a recipe or a meal is virtually endless. Now, let's add some flavor to our vocabulary with common spices used in cooking. Understanding these will also help you decipher recipes or share your own culinary creations in English. Salt, an essential seasoning in almost every dish. Pepper, often used along with salt, it adds a slight heat to the food. Garlic, used both fresh and in powdered form. Garlic adds a unique flavor. Onion, like garlic, it is used in both fresh and powdered forms. Paprika, a spice made from ground, dried fruits of bell pepper or chili pepper varieties. Cumin, a spice with a distinct flavor, often used in Middle Eastern, Indian, and Mexican cuisines. Oregano, commonly used in Italian and Mediterranean dishes. Basil, another herb often found in Italian cooking. Cinnamon, mostly known for its role in desserts but can also be used in savory dishes. And much like with the ingredients, there are countless spices you might encounter in your culinary adventures. So, that wraps up our tasty tour of common ingredients and spices in English. I hope this vocabulary will help you share your food stories, understand recipes, and talk about your favorite dishes. Remember, language, like cooking, requires practice. So keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep talking. Until next time, happy learning and bon appétit!